I'm taking you from blueprint to front door in 120 seconds. Step 1. The plan. I sketch the footprint, door swings, plumbing runs, where the sun hits in the afternoon. Containers are steel boxes, so every cut needs a reason. Doors get headers and posts on the drawings first. Then we mark and cut the windows. Then we lay out the electric design. Let's size this up. A 20-foot container is about 20 by 8 feet, roughly 160 square feet. Perfect for a micro studio, office, guest suite. Think galley kitchen along one wall, a wet bath at the end, a convertible sofa to keep the floor clear. Jump to a 40-foot container, 40 by 8, about 320 square feet. Real one-bedroom possibilities. Bedroom at the quiet end. Open kitchen living in the middle, big sliders to a deck so it feels twice as large. Combos are where it gets fun. 2 containers side by side really open up the space. 4 containers are perfect for big families. Arrange them in an L for privacy or side by side for a wide 16-foot span living space. Add a central corridor so plumbing stacks line up and costs drop. 2-story time. Stack a 40 over a 40. Frame a double-height void in the living room. We can prep the blueprints or create your dream home. Send us what ideas you have and we will get to work on it. Each home is finished. All electric and plumbing included in the pricing. You can select the size of the windows and doors. You can visit our workshop and create the markings for the locations of windows and doors. These containers have high-density insulation built into the walls. We paint the outside with anti-corrosive paint. Let's get started with your home. Contact us today. containerhomes.net, San Ramon, Costa Rica.